This week on Beyond Innovation.
The enterprise has got digital authenticators and then has physical keys and key fobs for people getting access to the facility. And what BioConnect has done has been able to put an IoT device in place behind those door systems, any access points you want, and be able to now really bring the digital world to these physical locations.
We have developed a biological catalyst that consumes the gas and process turns that gas effectively into a fuel molecule today. You can start now thinking about capturing that carbon into a material such that it is now carbon capture and sequestration, but into valuable materials.
It's a device-based platform that performs a regenerative therapy on this region of the gut, called the duodenum. And by allowing the body to heal itself from the therapy that we deliver, we're resetting the body back to a more natural set point.